In the world of high-end cosmetics, one ingredient remains the holy grail of natural beauty. This is virgin cold-pressed coconut oil, a super ingredient demanding surgical precision to create.
But before it reaches the vanity table, it begins its life on the white sandy coasts.
Roots drink deep from the saline water table, filtering the ocean's essence.
Long before the nut appears, there is the flower, the genesis of the oil. Monsoon rains swell the fruit, beginning a 12-month journey to maturity.
Under the intense tropical sun, photosynthesis synthesizes the rich fats we desire.
The Cocos nucifera. For cosmetic grade, we monitor every tree individually.
Harvest too early, it's diluted. Too late, acidity rises. We need exactly 12 months.
Skilled harvesters prepare their tools. A clean cut is essential for safety and speed.
They ascend the palms. This is not a job for machines.
They identify the perfect bunch. Gravity is the enemy here.
Unlike industrial oil, these nuts are never dropped. They are lowered on ropes.
A single precise cut frees the weight. A fall from this height would cause hairline cracks, inviting bacteria. The landing is soft. The shell must remain hermetically sealed. A quick field inspection ensures no accidental damage occurred. The harvest is gathered immediately. There is no time to waste.
Even the transport trucks are kept impeccably clean to prevent contamination.
To preserve the cellular structure, they are stacked by hand.
Once detached from the tree, the clock starts. We have 48 hours.
The convoy moves out, leaving the plantation behind. From rural tracks to the highway, the cargo is stabilized.
Sanitization is a ritual here. Every interaction is sterile.
First, the field dust must be washed away. The fibrous husk is the first barrier to be removed by hydraulic precision. It strips the fiber without crushing the delicate shell inside. Nothing is wasted. The husks return to the earth as mulch. Now, the hard shell must be cracked to reveal the meat.
The coconut water is drained away. For oil production, we need the flesh dry.
This water is captured and pasteurized for beverages.
Workers pry the meat from the hard shell.
The hard shells become activated carbon filters. Here is the difference between cooking oil and cosmetic oil. The pairing.
That brown skin contains earthy flavors. It must be shaved off.
We are left with the pure kernel. No discoloration. No earthiness.
Before grinding, the meat enters a bath of ozonated water.
This kills surface bacteria without using heat or harsh chemicals.
The meat emerges sterile and ready for transformation. The chunks enter the comminution phase. Stainless steel cutters grate the coconut into a fine mash. It resembles fresh snow, rich with milk and active enzymes. This snowy mash is rushed to the press. The cold press expeller. A giant of hydraulic power, tailored for gentleness. Cold water circulates constantly through the barrel to fight friction heat. The mash is fed in. The screw begins to bite. Pressure builds slowly. We squeeze, we don't crush. The liquid that emerges is a creamy white emulsion, oil and milk. The dry pulp is ejected, leaving only the nutrient-rich fluid.
This cold extraction preserves the lauric acid.
Oil and water don't mix, but they are emulsified here.
Enter the three-phase centrifuge.
Spinning at 7,000 RPM, it generates immense G-force. Physics takes over as immense G-force separates the heavy water from the light, pure oil. In mere seconds, the chemical bond is broken without a single degree of added heat.
The skimmed coconut milk and water byproduct is immediately ejected from the system.
And from the center flows the prize, pure, crystal clear oil. It looks perfect, but microscopic proteins remain. It needs a final polish. Micron-sized paper filters trap moisture droplets while the oil passes through freely. This step is crucial for shelf life, as hidden moisture is the seed of bacterial growth. We test for free fatty acids. The level must be below 0.1%. Between batches, the entire line is steam cleaned to maintain surgical sterility.
In the filling room, high-end glass jars are air-cleaned to remove dust.
Precision nozzles descend, bottling the liquid gold with zero waste. They are hermetically sealed to lock in the freshness and biological potency. The label is applied, certifying it as virgin, cold-pressed, and organic. optical sensors verify the placement of every single label. Robotic arms pack the jars into boxes destined for bouteilles across America. The boxes are palletized and wrapped, securing the cargo for transport. Ready for distribution, the inventory fills the warehouse, awaiting shipment.
The final journey begins, transporting the tropical elixir to urban centers.
In cooler climates, the clear oil transforms into a pure white butter. Solid to the touch, yet yielding, with the texture of white velvet.
It restores a natural, healthy shine to damaged, dry hair.